Are you looking for the ultimate dash camera to keep you safe on the road? In this video, we'll delve into the top 3 best dash cameras for cars that offer unmatched quality and reliability. From high-definition recordings to advanced safety features, these cameras have it all. Stay tuned to find out which one suits your needs best. The Wolfbox G840S is a top-notch dash cam with standout features. Its upgraded 4K UHD front camera and 1080p rear camera deliver stunning clarity, while the extra-large 12-inch display enhances visibility and reduces blind spots. With a 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lens, it offers a wide field of view and a smart split-screen function for easy monitoring. The camera excels in night vision thanks to its WDR and HDR technology and low reflectivity LCD. GPS tracking is a breeze with the external antenna, and the 24-hour parking monitor ensures continuous surveillance with time-lapse recording. It's an excellent choice for comprehensive road safety and convenience. The Redditor F7MP dash cam offers impressive performance with its 4K plus 1080p dual recording capability, ensuring crystal-clear footage of crucial details like road signs and license plates. Its 170-degree front and 140-degree rear angles minimize blind spots, while superior night vision technology captures clear images even in low light. The built-in GPS tracks your route and speed, and the Wi-Fi-enabled app allows for easy video management and sharing. Features like loop recording, G-sensor collision detection, and 24-hour parking monitoring add to its reliability. Backed by an 18-month warranty and 24/7 support, the F7MP is a solid choice for both everyday driving and unexpected incidents. The Rove R2-4K Pro dash cam stands out with its 4K UHD, recording at 30 fps, and 2.5K at 60 fps, delivering sharp, detailed footage. It features advanced 5G Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless smartphone pairing and video sharing through its app, which also supports over-the-air updates. The built-in GPS tracks speed and location, adding valuable evidence to your recordings. With a range of high-tech features like a supercapacitor, voice guidance, and a 150-degree wide-angle lens, it ensures comprehensive coverage. Its 24-hour parking mode with multiple recording options and a responsive customer service team make it a reliable choice for any driver.